All right, boys, so this quarantine, it's kind of screwing us all up, right? We're looking a little bit rough, and I feel for you. I want to help you out. So today, I'm going to enlist the help of our professional barber. This is my dude right here. This guy, he's a pro. All the clean fades you see online, he's the guy responsible for it. This is also why I still actually look pretty decent. But as you can see, my brother hasn't been as lucky. My brother, it's been about 3 months. He's looking a little bit rough, and my man has balls. You got balls, bro. He's going to try to cut his own hair at home, but he's going to enlist the help of a professional barber. He is going to give us basic tips that we can follow, that you could follow at home, so you can get a decent fade and look good, or as if you hit the barbershop. You guys ready?
Let's go for it, man.
All right, let's do this. Now, to make this as simple as possible, our barber, Anel, will be giving us basic steps that you could follow. Step 1, what are the essentials that we need?
Yeah, you'll need clippers, trimmer, and a comb and a mirror.
All right, simple enough. You can buy that on Amazon. Easy.
So tip number 1, we're gonna comb out the hair, comb it all out so you know the natural wave pattern, the hair pattern. You comb it out so you can see where exactly you're gonna, of the clippers, you know?
Okay.
There's a little barber hack that I like to do. Yeah, so with the comb, just put a marker there so you can indicate the guideline for the fade. Imagine that line. Can you imagine it?
Yeah.
No.
I see it, man.
No, like literally, like you want it to go around like that. And then stop right here, and then go right there, and then turn around with the mirror, and then try to connect it.
So Juan right now is going to comb his hair just like Anel taught him to. And with the comb, you can actually draw a baseline or a guideline using that marker that you can now follow, which is going to make it a little bit easier.
Alright, so by the time you have the line set in place, you want to remove all this bulk that's right here. So just imagine you're chiseling away the fade, and each number you go up to gradually fade into the top of the hair, you want to use like half an inch and then blend that in, and then whenever there's another number, it's another half inch, so on and so forth.
So every clip guard is a ½ inch up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. And whenever you start it, you want to have the
Open.
the lever open. We're gonna start with a number 1 open all the way, and it's gonna help remove the bulk. So right here,
Just follow the line.
you want to follow that as much as possible. You don't want it too fat on one side and then too little bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, you have to do a ½ inch everywhere. Everywhere. And then once you're done with that ½ inch, since the lever's open, you want to, in that little space that you just created, you want to go lower with the lever.
So
and you could go as low as you want down here, because it's not going to cut this. This is already shorter. You get me?
Yeah.
So this is foolproofing the fade if you follow these steps. So the process is the same. You just go up in clip guards. The last one we used before was a 1 guard. Now this one is 1.5 guard. Alright, since he just did half an inch everywhere with the 1.5 guard, with an open lever, now he's gonna go halfway and go right under the guideline he just created with the 1.5.
This is to blur the line.
Yeah, it's exactly that.
Get that crispy, clean fade. All right, so just to reiterate what he just said, basically, all it takes is patience. That's all this fade's gonna be. And he's going up steps at this point. So all he's doing, it's getting repetitive, is he's going up every number guard. So if you buy a clip guard or if you buy a clipper online, just keep going gradually up the clip guards. And again, he's starting with the clip guard fully open. He draws half an inch line and then he gradually closes it to kind of fade away that line. And he's gonna continue doing that until he reaches the bulk of his hair. So to spare you guys all that extra time, he's been at it for like 40 minutes at this point. He's probably gonna do another hour, but that's basically what he's doing. Once that's done, we're gonna show you the finale and then the final steps to clean up the cut.
All right, a little tip for whenever you cut your own hair. Just use the light, tilt your head. Yeah, so you just tilt your head, let the light shine on your head, and you're able to see the transition of the fade. And if there's any lines or anything, you'll be able to see it right then and there. And you work along with it. You see this right here? You see that?
Yeah.
Tilt it a
Now.
little.
Very clean.
It could blend a little bit more. It's blended.
So how does he get rid of that really hard line he has at the
Yeah,
bottom?
let's get rid of that one.
At the bottom?
Yeah.
So remember, what did he use on the very bottom? Do you remember what number
Half.
you used? Half of it, right?
Yeah, so go even.
No.
No.
What you do is you use this. This is the half guard, and have it open. Whenever you're edging, just cut a lot less than you think you should. And if you think it's not sharp enough, just go back at it little by little. You know, it's better to cut too little than too much.
All right.
And that's it, boys. After about, what was that, 2 hours? 2 hours of work, Guidance Butter Pro, you can get a pretty decent haircut right at home with simple tools. What is it? 4 tools. You need a clipper, a trimmer, a mirror, and clip guards. And that's it, boys. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And the comb.
And the comb. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also share this video because you're gonna help your boys out. There's a lot of men struggling out there. In this video, it could be your saving grace. But that's it for us today. See you next time.